These photos were taken in 2015. That was, uh, it's right now it's 2021. So that was what, six years ago. I was 90 then. That means I'm 96 now in 2021. I'm new at this. So let's see. Okay, this is the scooping out of the topsoil. This is where we're going to put the memorial bell tower when it's finished. And Jack Waltz is scooping out the dirt, preparing the footings. And we had to get all the topsoil out and bring in rocks, stones, anything that we can tamp down, make a hard surface for the slab that will go in place. And here's some more work that was done. And some more. This is the stick that I put in for the level of the top of the slab. And this is more work to prepare the footing for this concrete slab. As you can see, it's progressing rather well, and the has been all been tamped down, and we're making progress now to put the bell tower, or not the bell tower, the base for the bell. We're getting ready to put that in place. And these are the concrete piers that we set the legs in. And here you can see the bell support on the grass. We're getting ready to move it in place. There we have it set up so that 4 men can carry the base of the bell and set it in place for leveling up. We haven't done it yet, but we're doing it now. There it is. We set it in place and leveled it up and put concrete in the sleeves. And it's set perfectly so that the bell will be in the proper position. And when that concrete is hard, which would be the next day, we took the supports away, and now it's freestanding, and it's at the right height. And then we notified J&J Construction. They came and put the base around it, the form around it, and it's at the proper height, and it's pitched and everything. And now that support is being held by the big slab rather than the 4 small ones that were put in, 4 small pads underneath each leg. So now the whole thing is being supported by the big slab. And that turned out very well. And Dale Janes is looking at the area that needs to be filled in, and Jack will be coming with his tractor. There he is, dumping the soil in to prepare the way for him to bring the bell over and set the bell in place. He picks up the bell now with his front end loader and is carrying the bell to the place where it's going to be set. And now the Dale Janes and Jack Waltz have set the bell in place and bolted it down, and it's practically ready. There it is, freestanding, and ready for the rest of the rebuilding to take place. Now J&J Construction are rebuilding the bell tower around the bell, and that's coming along well, as you can see. And the posts were wrapped in aluminum foil, not aluminum foil, aluminum sheeting, and That's how the finish looks. And then these are brackets that I had to repair and refinish and rebuild. Some had to be remade because they were missing. And these are the ones that I use to finish off the trim work for the bell tower. There they are being glued up and everything at my workshop. And all right, now the bell tower is in place. Still needs to have the trim put in place. And they're putting the trim in now. The balusters all around. And as you can see, some of the brackets are in place there on this end of the bell tower. And there it's getting more and more complete. And there it is. It's completed now.